All right, today I'm going to show you how to fix a Kia Sedona brake light. My wife got pulled over in our Kia Sedona the other day, and thank goodness she got a warning by the police officer because she had a brake light that wasn't working. She warned me. She said, if you don't fix it this weekend, I'm taking it in to get somebody to fix. So I'm going to show you how to fix the brake light on the Kia Sedona. So let's go ahead and get started. First off, you go ahead and you can see that the housing is here and we need to fix it. So go ahead and get a screwdriver. And what you're going to want to do is pry, be careful a little bit, but snap these pieces off. And then the whole housing should come right off. Let's put it in there. There we go. And so go ahead and take the whole housing off of the Kia Sedona. Set that down. And you're going to see right here that we're going to need to take apart these screws right here. So the next step is to go ahead and fix this, take these out, and then once you get this, then you'll be able to see the whole housing of the actual case. All right, so after you get the housing case off, this is the tricky part. This is really tight right here. And so what you're gonna wanna do is it kind of pulls and slides out this way, but it's gonna snap. Now be careful. You're more than welcome to put a screwdriver in this area and kind of wedge it out this way just a little bit. And then it should slide right out there. But be careful, you don't wanna pry it. You don't wanna pry it out this way. That's gonna snap it. Make sure you pull this way. So carefully put a screwdriver in this area and pry it so it comes out and the whole thing slides out. Now once you get it, you're going to see all of the different brake lights and items right here. And so this is actually the easier part. So the brake light should be this one right here. You just turn it counterclockwise and it just snaps and then it pops right out. And you should be able to get the light bulb. And you can see that one is burned out. So we're gonna have to go ahead and replace that bulb with a new one, and then we'll install it back in. Okay, when installing the light, now that you can see that one's burned out and one's not, I want you to notice that there's two little prongs at the bottom of the light. One's a little bit higher than the other. And these have to be, you can see one on one side, one on the other. Make sure that you're installing it right in the actual piece that are following those prongs. Okay, I adjusted the prongs, tightened it right here in this area. Now go ahead and put it back in. Sorry, doing this with one hand. And then go ahead and tighten it back in. Find the thread that it has and you'll be able to put the light back on. Okay, the light's ready to go. We installed the new light now. Now watch, I want you to pay attention to where we're gonna install these back in. You're gonna see this white piece and then also down at the bottom, the piece that snaps back in. That part is the most important when you're sliding the light back in. So let's go ahead and do that. And you're gonna see that I'm making sure that it's right. Kind of slide it in and then that's ready to go. All right, the housing is all on. I put the housing back on. Right here, I snapped back the pieces in, and that's how you fix the brake light on your Kia Sedona. Everything's nice and tight, smooth, the water seal's good, so that's what you need to do.